Hello and welcome everyone. Today we are making some lamb shank. Lamb shanks are tough meat, but if cooked properly, it becomes succulent and soft. Let me show you the ingredients. Here I have some shank meat and I asked my butcher to cut them into small pieces. Some onion slices, garlic, little bit of ghee, 1 bay leaf, some salt and some black pepper powder. Let's start cooking. In a pressure cooker, I'm taking some ghee. Once ghee melts down and becomes very hot, I'm gonna add lamb pieces one by one. Here it's very important that ghee is very hot, otherwise lamb will release some water which we do not want. All I'm gonna do here is cook each side for a minute or so, just to give it a crispy brown coating, that's it. First side is done and now I'm turning them to fry the other side, and again it's just for a minute or so. It's done now. I'm gonna take them off one by one in a bowl. The pan has some burnt meat fat stuck to it, to which I will now add onion slices and all the garlic. The juice from both these ingredients will mix with burnt meat fat and take all the flavors from it. A little bit of stirring will help the process. Now onion and garlic has started releasing some water. It's the best time to add meat pieces. Once all the meat pieces are in, I'm gonna add seasoning. First goes bay leaf, and then I'm gonna add some salt, all of it, followed by black pepper powder. A quick mix, and then we are gonna cook it for 30 to 40 minutes. You might need to add just a little bit of water to help the cooking, but it all depends on your own pressure cooker and how juicy the meat is. I have some rice cooking on the side to enjoy with my lamb. It's been 35 minutes and I'm gonna release the pressure out. Be very careful while doing this step, as the steam is extremely hot. Once all the steam is out, gently open the lid, and here we have our lamb shank. I'm gonna let it cook in the stove for another 10 minutes or so that the rest of the juice can dry up. And then we have our lamb shank all ready to be served. My lamb shanks are finally done and I'm serving them. If you have any questions related to this recipe, please put that on the comment box below and I will get back to you. If you liked the recipe, please give us a thumbs up and show your support. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned with us. Thank you.